To begin using your GTC Transfer Software, you have three main options. First, New Project, open a project already created, or just open Images. Let's create a new project. Here you can give a project name. So let's create a test. You can also include your customer details, name, street, postcode, and city. All this information could be changed in the future. Here you can select the image you have saved in your GTC. You can select just one or all of them. After uploading your images, you have on the top of your screen the file, so you can open a new project, open a project already created, save, open image, or export images that you already worked with. Analysis, we'll walk through that right now. Report and settings, that you can select some of the options as temperature unit as Celsius and Fahrenheit. Let's start with analysis. Under the analysis tab, you have some options as save and reset, undo and redo, toolbox, color palettes, and parameters. You can also see all the images that you just uploaded to your project. All these images will be thermal images. But if you click on original image, you will have side by side your camera image and your thermal camera, one next to each other. Under the toolbox, you have set a marker. Setting a marker, you are setting a temperature on this spot. You can select how many spots you want. All these spots, they will be given by name, and also will be as under your mark list. You can also select your hotspot. The hotspot will pop up on your hottest spot in your image. Cold spot will pop up on your coldest spot in your image as well. Both of them will also be added to your mark list. Under toolbox, you can also create shapes. First one is line. When created a line, you will also create a graphic. This graphic could be line graphic or bar graphic. Under bar graphic, when creating a line, you can see the temperature differentiation via graphic. So you can see exactly where you are, in this case, losing temperature. Under shapes, you can also create a rectangle that will give you the minimum and maximum temperature on this space, or a circle shape, giving you also minimum and maximum temperature. You can also create a freehand drawing to select a specific space to give you the minimum and maximum temperature. So you can focus exactly in one point, the issue point that you have in this image. Under color palette tab, you have the same options as you have in your GTC400C. So if you saved an image with one color palette, you are able to change it just by clicking and selecting a different one. So from rainbow to rainbow HM, iron, or grayscale. Remembering, all these colors are user taste. and could also help you to identify issues in different applications. Parameters. Under this tab, you can change your product emissivity, your material emissivity. You can have a user defined, so you can change manually what is your emissivity, or you can have a list of materials already pre-selected that you can choose. On GTC Transfer Software, you have more options than in our GTC Thermal Camera. You can also change your reflection temperature. You can also add some notes to your report. All this will be attached to your final report.